For 5.4.3, we're given another joint PDF that is defined as 6 times the exponent of the opposite of the quantity 2x plus 3y. And this is defined basically in the entirety of the first quadrant, and it is 0 otherwise. We're given these 4 kinds of areas. Well, first of all, maybe it'd be useful to plot this, but since it's very difficult to kind of plot 3D, well, maybe I'll throw in a GNU plot. Right, so GNU plot is a useful, free, open source software for plotting, and you can plot this yourself, and maybe I'll slap in the image in this video to see what it looks like. But basically, as your function goes to infinity, you approach 0. So, right. And right, let's sketch these areas of interest for all 4 of these expressions. So here are the drawings. So this is a simple expression we've seen before. X is greater than y. This is also a linear equation, but now we're taking a triangle. So this is finite area, where this is infinite when the bounds goes to infinity. Actually, both do. And then this one, the minimum of both x and y must be greater than 1. So either could be, at least one has to be greater than 1. So we have to exclude the square from 0 to 1, 1. And the max of xy is actually the exact opposite of this expression, so the area is just the square. So now let's write out our integrals to find these probabilities, because we have to integrate the PDF over our area of interest to find these probabilities. Alright, so starting from the first one, we take the integral on the x from 0 to infinity, and from the y we go from the bottom from 0 to x. For the next part, for the x, you go from 0 to 1, and then we plug in the equation for the triangle, so it goes from the bottom 0 to 1 minus x. And actually, I made a mistake drawing the graph, the area for the part C, and actually the minimum of x and y must greater than 1 means both of them are greater than 1, right? Because minimum takes the union the lower bound. So you have to take the limits from 1 to infinity for both x and y. And then this part is still correct, so this one is just 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Answers are written below.